All right, we're going to take a look at our B9 chord. And this particular way, I'm going to show you two ways. This is the most typical way. Well, maybe not the most typical, but I'll explain why in a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down strings 5 through 1 with our first finger. We're going to bar them all. And then we're going to put our little finger. If it's third finger is better for you, that's fine. I use my little finger on string 4, fret 4. So this is going to bar 5 strings here. And then, of course, this one will be fretted at the 4th fret of string 4. Sounds like this. Okay? Now, the most typical way people play 9 chords is like this. But the reason why I suggested to play it like this is because some people have trouble pushing this down next to the nut. And so that's why I showed you the other way. This way is done basically kind of the same. This is the typical one you'll be seeing on the other 9 chords. You'll be holding down string 5 at fret 2, string 4 at fret 1, and then you use your third finger to hold down 3 strings, strings 1, 2, and 3 at the 2nd fret. And there you go, B9. Have a great day.